Hello everyone! Are you looking to take your Squarespace website to the next level by customizing its design with CSS? In this video, we will show you how to customize CSS on your Squarespace websites, including how to access the CSS editor, write your own CSS code, and apply it to your websites. So let's dive in and give your website the custom look it deserves in 2023. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Before we start, the first thing that I will need you to do is launch your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Squarespace. From here, just wait for the page to load and then click on one of those buttons that says Get Started. So let's go ahead and click on one of these, and here we are. Now all we need to do is choose what kind and what type of website are we going to aim for. Let's choose like a random one, a blog with a fashion, and I'm going to keep it simple like that. So let's choose this one and let's get started with it. Now they are setting things up for us. It will not take that long, only a couple seconds. Now let's give the title, the site a title. So tutorial is a good title for me. So let's keep it like that and let's click on continue, next, and let's get started. So here we are guys in the website. Now all we need to do is actually get to where we are going to add our CSS code. That's pretty easy guys. So first of all, go ahead and click on this edit button and then add a section to your website. Add whatever section of these, you can add whatever thing. So let's keep it simple and add a black section. And in this area, we have to add a new block. So add a block, and in here you will find multiple options. So let's go through them one by one. There is text, image, video, button, form, audio, newsletter, accordion, shape, scrolling, and much more. So in our case, we need to add the CSS code. So if you scroll here, you will not find anything that says CSS, but you will find code. So click on it, and here simply what you'll have to do is double click on this hello world. After that, here they will show you the language name. So here you can just change it to CSS, and here the content. So let's change that and let's add whatever CSS code we want to add. So in your case, you know about CSS, you can add whatever code. In my case, I have no idea about CSS. So what should I do? Simply, let's try to do something like that first and try if it is going to work. So let me just try it again somewhere, for example, this one, and I'm going to choose this whole path and see if I can like change the color of it. So let's search for something that is actually editable. So let's try here. Display none. Alright, it is actually doable. So let's try to copy this and let's try to paste it like over there. So let's copy this whole code and let's close it now. So let me just remove this, display none, and I will try to paste it over here. Now as you can see, this is the code in CSS. Well, first of all, as you can see, all you need to do is link it with your HTML code first. So you will need to include the CSS code in the HTML code. So for example, let's say that this is the CSS code. We have to have an HTML code first that has a direct connection with the CSS code. So how to do that? That's pretty easy. You can go, for example, to CSS and HTML page, which is W3 School, or you can just go to ChatGPT, where it can give you the correct code and show you everything that you need to do. So, for example, write me a script using HTML and CSS that says hello world in blue. So this is the code, basically it. Just wait for it a little bit, and like this is completely it, as you can see. Just wait a little bit, and now all you need to do, copy this and paste it over here. And yeah, this is completely it. Now all you need to do is save it as your document file. So as you can see here, now if I close this, this must be changed, but I think there is some problems. Let me add a new block and see what we have to keep in mind. So phrase hello world. Okay, let's try to remove this, and let's try to remove both of these. So title and head, let's try to remove all of these. Alright, so if we keep it like that, what is going to do? Alright, it didn't change anything, but what about this? Okay, it's working a little bit. So if I did something around that, and P, and here P as well, is it going to work? It doesn't work. So there is something wrong with this. So let's try to just copy this and paste it over here. Alright. Oh, wait. Let me just remove this. Okay, look, I've made a mistake, which is really, really stupid. I turned this on. So let's try to fix this once more. Hello world, this is written in like the font that you have chosen, and as you can see, font size 36, alignment center 50, and this is like completely it. So guys, make sure to not repeat the same mistake that I have did before, which is um doing like display source code like that, because it will completely show the source code, not the thing that we want to actually appear in the screen. So this is like the mistake that I was doing. In your case, just follow my steps, which is just this, turn it off and choose the language that you are going to work with, which is in our case HTML or CSS. So let's try this out once more in CSS. So I'm going to copy this, as you can see, add here a new code, which is display. I can't type. All right. Can I type here? Okay. Display, 2 points, none, and let's close this. So I think normally it has to be working for me. Now if I close it, it is still not working for some reason. Well, basically I'm not pretty much good in CSS or coding, but overall this is like how you can do it. So here you have to edit it using CSS, put the CSS code, here the HTML code, and here the JavaScript, markdown, and plain text. So you can do whatever you'd like using those settings. So let me just take you through it once more. All you need to do is simply, after opening your site for the first time, just click on edit from here, then add section and choose whatever section you'd like, and of course this section, add a blank section, and then go to add block, and from here guys you only need to choose the block which is code. So it is that easy and that simple. You can copy and paste the block in multiple places. You can make it align vertically, in the middle, in the bottom, so you can choose whatever you'd like from these. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you had any problems, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. I will answer all of your questions, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.